Coco peat, also known as coir or cocoa coir, is a versatile and sustainable growing medium derived from coconut husks. In recent years, it has gained popularity among gardeners, horticulturists, and eco-conscious individuals. This blog post explores the various aspects of coco peat, from its production to its numerous applications in gardening and beyond. Woman repotting a houseplant. Coco peat, from where? Coco peat is a natural byproduct of coconut fiber extraction. Coco peat is obtained from the husk of coconuts, which are usually discarded as waste. The cocoa fibers are processed and the resulting coir pith is collected. Coco peat thus collected is washed in chambers and removes impurities, dried in sun for adequate moisture and then compressed as coco peat block. Coco peat properties. 1. High water retention. Coco peat has exceptional water retention capabilities, ensuring that plants receive a consistent water supply. This property makes it an ideal medium for moisture-sensitive plants. 2. Excellent aeration. Coco peat structure promotes good aeration, preventing soil compaction and allowing for better root development. This is especially beneficial for plant growth. 3. pH neutral. Coco peat is pH neutral, providing an ideal environment for various plants. Unlike some other soil amendments, coco peat won't alter the pH of your soil. 4. Rich in nutrients. Coco peat itself is relatively inert. It can be enriched with nutrients to support plant growth. This allows for better control over the nutrient content of the growing medium. Coco peat uses. 1. Coco peat for plants, container gardening. Coco peat can be used as a standalone growing medium or as part of a potting mix for container gardening. Its lightweight nature makes it an excellent choice for indoor plants. 2. Seed starting. Coco peat aids in seed germination and early seedling growth. Its moisture retention properties create an optimal environment for young plants. 3. Coco peat fertilizer, soil amendment. Coco peat can improve garden soil structure, especially in sandy or clayey soils. It enhances water retention in sandy soils and improves drainage in clayey soils. 4. Coco peat for hydroponics. Coco peat in soilless growing systems, such as hydroponics and aquaponics. Its ability to retain moisture and provide aeration makes it a valuable component in these setups. Coco peat manufacture. Coco peat manufacture involves several crucial stages, ensuring a sustainable and versatile growing medium. Soaking the husks in water to loosen the fibers. Mechanical or traditional beating methods are then used to separate the fibers from the husks, and coco peat remains back. Thus extracted undergo thorough washing to eliminate impurities like dust and sand. This washing step is vital for ensuring the purity of the final coco peat product. Either under the sun or using mechanical methods. Drying reduces moisture content to an ideal level for further processing. Once dried, are ground to a finer texture, enhancing coco peat quality. Sieving is performed to remove any remaining coarse particles. Final stage of preparation is compression into blocks or bales using specialized machinery reduces volume for transportation.